Good morning, my dear students. Last class we completed chapter 4. This is now chapter 5. In chapter 5, these exercises are no need because these are normal basic questions like do you like and do you have too much homework. Maths is the most important subject at school. These questions are no need. Okay, so directly we start 5.2 exercise 5.2. So the first question, what is given the data and said that show this information on a pictogram. So what is pictogram? Pictogram means the first letters. If you look at the this one, if you look at the pictogram, if you look at the pictogram, that means the first three letters alphabets is what pic. That means the picture represents something else. Like example, here is a circle. We know that circle, but I wrote it here, one circle equal to two sandwiches. That is your choice. You can write it four sandwiches. It depends upon you. So that if you write it two is the better. Why? Because suppose if the three sandwiches, one I can draw the full circle, one I can draw the half circle. Not only circle, you can take it triangle. That is as your wish, right or no? As you are comfortable. Understand? So that picture represents something else. I know that this is the name of this name is circle, but I write it here, one circle equal to two sandwiches. So here what are the different types of, so what are the name of the sandwich? We have chicken sandwich, tuna sandwich, egg sandwich and tomato. So if you look at here, how many chicken sandwiches there? 1 2 3 4 5. So here is the 5. How many tuna sandwiches is there? 1 2, only 1 2. Egg how many? Check it here, 3. 1 2 and 3. So 3 sandwiches. Tomato how much now? 1 and 2. So 2 tomatoes. So if you check if you check that, for your checking you have to check it, is it correct or not. How you check it? 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 10 plus 3 is 12. So the total how much here? 12. So here is the 12. Now how to draw the pictogram? So here is the 5. That means one circle equal to two sandwiches. 2 plus 2 how much? 4, and half means 5 sandwiches. Okay, so take it here, common name is sandwich. Don't take it chicken sandwich like this way. The common name is sandwiches. So 2 means only one circle. 3 means what? One full circle, that means 2, and half circle. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So here is the 2. Okay, now the second question. What is the second question now? We have to make the tally and frequency table. Tally and frequency table. So how to make the tally and frequency table? Look at here. So in one question only I will explain here tally and frequency. First of all, name of the bread. What kind of bread are there? Brown bread, white bread, wholemeal bread and soda bread. So this is the name. So now tally. For the tally, better write it first of all frequency. How to write it frequency? Example, I will take it one brown bread. So count how many brown breads are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So write the first of all frequency 12, then you can draw the lines. How you draw? 1 2 3 4 and 5. Every fifth number, that means every fifth table you have to cut. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So like this one you can count it remaining, you have to complete. Now pictogram means you know that, like one circle, again I take it here, two breads. The common name is 12 means what? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 circle means 6 to the 12. 10 11 means 1 2 3 4 5, then 5 2s are 10, then it is 11. 14 means 7 2s are 14, and 3 means here 2 plus 1 is 3. Now in question number C, he asked you to draw bar line graph. That means this is in question number A and C finish. That means tally, frequency table and pictogram finish. Now number C is what? Here it said ask you to draw the bar graph. So now look at here, when you draw the bar graph, before you have to check it, what is the maximum number? The maximum number is what? 14. So before you're drawing the graph, don't draw the lines directly. First check it, the big number is 14, so I can take it one number gap, one number more only. So 15, 14, 13 like this up to 0. Then here is the name of the bread, right or no? Now while you're drawing the graph, kindly you can turn the graph so that you can easily draw. So leave the one square, and the first value is what? 12. So draw two lines up to 12 and match it. So if you give the gap one square, so next also give it gap only one square only. Okay, so the next white bread how much? 11. So draw up to 11. Again give gap only one square. So remember the gap, if the beginning, if you give one square gap, every time the gap should be equal, and the bar will be one square, means every time the bar also, this is called the bar, this is called the bar. So the bar also every time one square only. Understand? That is the better. Every time remember the gap and the bars both are equal is the better one. Or you can change it, but the bar, if you draw the bar is two squares, but that means every time two squares only, every time two squares only. And remember the frequency every time on y axis. This is the y axis, this is the x axis, you know, every time y axis. So next will be white milk bread, how much? 14. So up to 14, draw it and leave the 1 square, and the soda bread will be 1 square. So write it in the name. So this is name of the bread and this is frequency. So frequency every time on y axis. I hope you understand today's class work. And your homework is, and what is your homework? Your homework is exercise 5.2, question number 3. Question number 3, because question number 3 related to this question. Okay, question number 3, because question number 1 is different here. If you look at this one, is the different. Okay, this is about the group data. So today I will explain that like this question. So question number 3 is the homework for you. I hope you understand today's class work. If you have any more doubts, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.